good workout. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. Hi. So it's Sunday. I just got home like 5 seconds ago from my parents' place, and it was such a nice weekend. It was so good to spend time with them and to spend time with my brother and my sister-in-law. Makes my heart happy and it just gives me so much motivation to kind of go into the next few weeks. I don't know, it was just like a really good break. But it is Sunday and I did a whole bunch of laundry, and now I'm just gonna kind of organize my place and get ready for this coming week. So we have a lot to do. Let's do it. I actually picked up this pure water filtration thing from Walmart yesterday. So just a quick backstory, my apartment building is actually pretty old, and actually when I moved in, my landlord made me sign a piece of paper that said that our water pipes actually have lead in them, and that's always kind of worried me a little bit. So I saw this and I picked it up, and I don't know, it looked interesting. It says certified to filter lead, and it basically goes on your tap, and that's kind of how it looks. So I'm gonna try this thing out and let's see how this goes. So I tried to crack it, but I couldn't. As you can tell, there is no water purification system on there at the moment. Basically, the circumference of this tap, I just don't think at least I couldn't figure out how to attach the purification thing to this. Like there's like a mismatch in sizes. So I'm gonna ask a friend of mine to potentially help me out with that. But otherwise, it's kind of a bust, which makes me really sad because I feel like I'm just drinking lead water. So I might or I might not have spent like the last 20 minutes trying to recreate a specific photo for Mother's Day. It took me way longer than I care to admit, but also it might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna insert it here. But how cute is that? Also, I look exactly like my mom, and that is honestly like, I'm really hyping myself up because my mom's gorgeous. So thank you, Mom, for just being amazing. And happy Mother's Day.
What do you think about Sonia's reaction to her pregnancy? Do you think that it's a suggestive of her options, a dissociative experience, a normal reaction to a tough situation, a sign for coping with her pregnancy, an unresolved grief over previous loss? Okay, so I don't see the full body.
I'm reading the text, but
No big deal. That sounds good. Okay. Also, a lot of movement here too. A lot of people kind of. So it sounds like a couple of you felt like this was a dissociative experience, about 3%, and then about 5 or 6% felt like this was there's some sign here, symptoms of depressive anxiety disorder. But I would say the vast majority of the class is split right down the middle of this being a normal reaction to a tough situation.
It is about 8 p.m. at night, and I have a quiz due tonight by midnight, and I also have an assignment also due tonight by midnight. So I'm just sitting here and getting work done, and I think I'm just gonna work for the next 3-4 hours. It feels really good because I all my laundry away and I made my bed. I also made some chai, and that just like really soothed my soul. It's like a comfort thing for me, or at least it's becoming more of a comfort thing for me. In my family, we like drink chai all the time, but I think as I'm getting older, I'm realizing how much of like a soul drink it is, or like how much of a comfort drink it is. It just reminds me of home and makes me happy. So I had some chai, and then I'm just, like I said, gonna sit here and finish work for the rest of the evening. But I wanted to go ahead and end this vlog over here. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this quick but really nice, relaxing weekend in the life of a med student. If you guys like this video, definitely subscribe to this channel, definitely give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.